So here's the 2018 Subaru Outback camera. I'm gonna try and get right up to my trailer hitch. The trailer hitch is here, and the marker's here. So let me back up. And let's see how we do. We're pretty close, we're pretty close, pretty close, pretty close. All right, it looks like the trailer hitch is right under the ball. So I'm gonna lock everything down and take a look. Okay, I'm about an inch short. I gotta go back about an inch. Okay, so I'm gonna go back about 1 inch. I think that's about it. Let me take a look. It's almost perfect. I'm gonna do the rest by hand. It's spring. It's a rainy day, and I want to listen to some music on the AM/FM radio or the MP3 player. Now that noise, that horrible noise you hear, that is this MP3 charger. Excuse me, this is a USB charger. That noise is being produced by this. It's RF pollution. It's a cute little charger, but it sucks. So I'm going to unplug it, and the noise ceases when I plug it in. It comes back. So this is what you've got to watch out for. Let me find another one of these and I'll show you how well that works. Okay, this black one is the one that's RF dirty. It produces a lot of radio frequency jamming, and it's made by these guys. I sent them an email and told them I haven't heard back from them. So if you want to listen to any kind of a radio or anything, even though this is pretty cool, gives you the voltage and all that, the computer in it is really making a lot of noise. So this one doesn't have all that fanciness, and it's much quieter. Let me show you. Okay, here we go, into the outlet. No RF pollution whatsoever. So, yeah, how do you know this? Let me turn this off. How do you know what a good one and a bad one is? I don't know, you could read reviews. When I find a good one, I mention it. I'm going to plug this one in the front. I've got USB ports in the front here. Okay. There we go. That way I can keep an eye on it. There's two USB ports, two 12-volt ports here. There's AC ports on the inside. My primary entertainment is my computer and my AM/FM stereo. This one happens to run on 12-volt, 2 speakers. It's been good. It's a Tivoli Model 2. They don't make them anymore. It's fine. I have an MP3 player I can push through here to give me music. And I don't know where the MP3 player is, but it's here. So I just like music, especially in the morning when I have some caffeine. I just love news and music. I also love nature and quiet. Before some Nimrod contacts me and tells me that I'm camping and it's sacrilegious to have music, I don't disturb anybody with my music. I keep it low or don't play it when there are people around. But when nobody's around, like today, this place is completely empty. I like a little music now and then, especially when I'm setting up. So as an alternate, I'm going to experiment with some powered speakers. You know, they're Bluetooth or wired connection, which I think is important. Wired connection always sounds better than a Bluetooth connection. It's just a fact. So what I'm using is a JBL powered speaker, the Flip 4, I've wired in a small MP3 player, and let's see. So I've got that in. I have a second one here, and I can turn this one on. And hit a Bluetooth connect button, and the two speakers will mate with each other in the biblical sense, and they will magically become stereo if this is done right. Okay, they are paired, and they're putting out music. One good thing about these is they are completely waterproof and submersible. You don't need to worry. So there you go. I've actually got some music. I can move them around. Will I replace the inside? Will I replace the Tivoli Model 2 stereo speaker inside with these? I don't know. I'm going to need some more field research. These stay charged for 13 hours. They'll play music for 13 hours, and they've got to be recharged on Bluetooth. So more on this later, as it proves out. It's the mobile office here. Got a Wi-Fi connection, remote speakers. I'm comparing these speakers, the Bluetooth speakers, the powered speakers with the radio. It's kind of a wash. Now these are portable. I can move them around outside. The ones in the trailer sound great too. So I'm still testing. This is the Wi-Fi hotspot. Got a good signal here.